Hello friends, today our topic is black box testing. Black box testing is a method in which the functionality of a software is tested without having internal structural knowledge of the software. This testing is performed by the test engineer. The primary source of black box testing is a specification of requirement that are shared by the stakeholders. This testing is further classified into two types, functional testing and non-functional testing. Now, the functional testing is basically test the behavior of the software by using the specification as a guide. And coming to non-functional testing, this testing basically tests the non-functional aspects of the software under different conditions. So the functional testing will include like smoke testing, regression testing, integration testing, acceptance testing, then levels of testing. These testing will fall under the category of functional testing. And in non-functional testing, we have like performance testing, volume testing, security testing, database testing, API testing, etc. Black box testing techniques. So we have various black box testing techniques available, and I have covered here like few of them, which are equivalence partitioning, boundary value testing, decision table testing, error guessing. Now coming to the equivalence partitioning first. This technique is used to minimize the number of possible test cases to an optimized level or to reduce the time and effort of the testing. Boundary value testing technique contain the upper and lower limit of a variable and validating whether the software is giving correct output on boundary values or not. Next topic is decision table. So it is a systematic approach to validate all the input combination and their respective system behavior in a tabular representation. Next topic is error guessing. It is experience-based testing where the test analyst or any other QA engineer use their experience to guess the problematic area of the software. Now I will explain each and every technique in the upcoming videos with the help of proper example. Now coming to the advantage and disadvantages of black box testing, let me discuss about the advantage first. So black box testing does not require any coding knowledge for the QA engineers. It is efficient when used on a large system to test. It helps to remove the contradiction from the system. Testing can be done from an end user point of view in this type. Coming to the disadvantage part, the test cases are challenging to design without having the clear functional specification. High chance to repeat the same test again by the multiple test engineer on the application. Next is, it is difficult to identify all the possible inputs in limited testing time. Next is, chances are there having an unidentified path during the testing process. So these are the disadvantages of the black box testing technique.